the West African region with the BRVM market. The BRVM 10 index yesterday closed trading at 245 points. That's 1.5% higher than Friday's close. And while the BRVM Composite gained 1.33% to close at 217 points. In terms of value, the most traded stocks were Sonatel and Onatel, which represent 49 and 31% respectively of total values traded. Let's now cross to Abidjan, where Nelly Fofana, an analyst with SGI Hudson and Co, is standing by to give us some perspective on the market. Thank you so much, Nelly, for joining us. And it seems the market is starting this week on a very positive note. Can you just talk us through your thoughts about the positive momentum that we're seeing on the BRVM? We did see a similar move last week as well.
Yes, we can see for trend, and the market was driving thanks to Unilever up 7.5%. The stock continues to benefit from this annual results publication with a rising net income. We also have Slogan up 7.4%. Actually, the market is waiting for the 2012 results. That should be really good, and Filtisac increases by 6.7% on low volumes.
Right, and let's talk a bit about some of the results we've seen recently, maybe starting with Unilever. Of course, we have seen a similar trend in Nigeria where the numbers from Unilever have not been pretty strong. Indeed, for Unilever in your region, they actually posted a quite significant loss, about 2 billion CFA francs loss for the full year 2012. Can you just talk us through the issues around Unilever's performance?
Yes, so company's turnover is down 11% to stand at 73 billion CFA. Unilever made a net loss of 2.8 billion compared to a positive result last year to 2.7 billion in 2011. So basically this loss is due to the revenue decrease and the rising financial charges, plus 26%.
Okay, and if we move on to Onatel, of course, that stock has been doing pretty well recently. It gained well over 20% last week, and I think the reasons for that is the script issue, rather the split in their shares, and then of course the dividend that they've announced recently, posting a 7.5% dividend yield. So pretty attractive in the context of this market.
Yes, so we can see Onatel stock increasing since the dividend announcement that has boosted the stock growth that records plus 23.5% last week. Actually, the company is paying 4,632 CFA, representing a 7.5 net dividend yield. So it's really attracting investors. Also, we have the split announcement that has boosted Onatel's growth. And in our opinion, investors anticipate the market to react positively as it was for Sonatel.
Of course, this market is dominated by the telco Sonatel. So talk to us about your expectations for Sonatel this time. Of course, Onatel is doing pretty well right now. What are your expectations for Sonatel?
We think Sonatel will publish good half-year results. The company is still doing good regarding profitability. The EBITDA margin.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right. Okay, let's talk a bit about your expectations for the market going forward. Do you anticipate that we would see further growth? Clearly, this is a good time for the market. The telcos are doing well. The banks have done pretty well already this year. What are your expectations going forward?
We think that it will continue because the companies basically have published really good results, and we think it will be the same for half-year results.